Hello everyone, welcome to English class. The life gives us the opportunities. Our work is to achieve something in our life. So always the success knocks our door only once. So our duty is to grab that success. So in the last class we have discussed about Babar Ali, right? The two parts are over about him. So that is what, so can you explain it? Okay. So in the first class we have given the introduction about Babar Ali, right? So that is about his school. So when he became the headmaster, at the age of 16, it is easy for you to remember, right? So nearly your age anta helbodu. So it is his achievement which we are going to study, right? Okay, his school. So how he started his school and for which school he is going as a student, all those things. Next we have given the structure of the school, right? So what is the structure? Can you explain it? So dilapidated, half tone structure, so which we have discussed. So about his school. Next, his family. So mainly backbone athwa supporter, that is his father Nasiruddin Sheikh. Important for 1 mark, please remember this one. Important for 1 mark question, and even the spelling is very important, please remember that too. Okay, and his words, so that is education is the true religion. So that is the word which is given by Nasiruddin Sheikh, that is his father. Next, the reason. So the main point that is for very important for the 4 mark question, the reason that is important to start the school. So what is the reason for him to start this school? So what is the reason? Can you explain or can you remember that? So that is the children of his village were going, mainly the boys were going as mechanics and the grass cutters etc. as working people, and mainly the girls were going to the kitchen or doing household works as a maid. So that's why by saying all these things, so he decided that is to give education. So that is to support that poor children of his village. So that is the reason what he gives. So that's why he started this school. So ishtu navu last class alli kaltayitu. So that is avana school, the structure, all these things, father. So ee ella vishayagalanna navu kalada class alli kaltvi, right? So about all these things. So now what we are going to discuss today. So ಇವತ್ತು ಏನನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇವತ್ತು ಏನನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. So if you have textbook, just go through it. So if you have PDF, then fine. So just say it. So that is next going the main part, Ananda Shiksha Niketan. So what is Ananda Shiksha Niketan? So that is the school name of Babar Ali. So Babar Ali's school name enu Ananda Shiksha Niketan. So this is the school name of Babar Ali. So Babar Ali's school name yaudu ant heli keladre. So if they ask for 1 mark, Ananda Shiksha Niketan. So textbook. So Babar Ali actually started his school at the mere age of 9. So yavaga at the age of 9. ಸೊ 9ನೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ 9ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ 9ನೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ he had started his school. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್. ನಾಟ್ ಈವನ್ ನಾವು ಆಟದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾಟ್ ಈವನ್ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ he started the school at the age of 9. So surprising. In fact, his school Ananda Shiksha Niketan grew out of game. ಸೊ ಆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಗ್ರೋ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಬೈ ದ ಗೇಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಗೇಮಿನ ಮೂಲಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ inverted comma, double inverted comma, that is the statement given by Babar Ali himself. So when he is taking an interview, so we used to play school with me as a teacher. My friends had never seen the inside of our school, so they enjoyed playing students. So they were playing, that is school. Earlier used to do that alva. School, mane, appa, amma ee ella aatagalana aata aadta idre. The same thing what he started as a school where he is a teacher. So as he is a teacher and his friends were as students, because so already we have discussed, that is they were from the poor background, so they are having a below poverty line. So that's why it is difficult for them to go to school. So ಆದ ಕಾರಣ they never saw the school. So that's why it was interesting for them to play as a student. So they ended up learning arithmetic and enjoying it. So but even though it is a game, the teaching method or the teaching is the real one. So Babar Ali used to teach them arithmetics, so part of mathematics. So said Babar Ali while trying to explain how he initially started teaching. So he says that initially how he started teaching, so that is by the game, so by using that game. But what happens later, so as time passes in 2002, so his school was institutionalized. Important for 1 mark. So IMP I'll write here. So important for 1 mark. In 2002 his school was institutionalized. Yeah, what do you mean by institutionalized? So institutionalized means getting a, yeah, what? Yes, getting a authority. So that is he got the right, that is to start this school. So that is called institutionalized. So it is went in a formal way. So earlier it was a game, so but now it is started as institution. So with the strength of 8, with 8 students. So the school was started with the 8 students. So ಆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 8 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. Next what he says, so gradually word spread and numbers grew. So as one by one people used to talk, or so by gossiping ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. The name is growing, spreading all over. Help began to come from other quarters. So people started to help him. So because, so even though he started his organization, or even though he started his school, so ಪವರ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ದುಡ್ಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು ಬೇಕೇ ಬೇಕು ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಗುಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಸೊ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡುವ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೂ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೇಸ್ ಇಟ್. So supported him to start his school. So mainly his teachers ಸೊ ಅವನ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರು, ಸೊ ಮಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಲೋಕಲ್ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ರಾಮಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮಿಷನ್ ಮಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸನ್ಯಾಸಿಗಳು ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ದೆನ್ IAS ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್, so sympathetic IAS officers, one who is giving importance to education, maybe one who is interested, that is to support children ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, IAS officers. Next local cops. So local cops means they are police. So local people, local police yaridare, so they used to support him. So these many people have supported him. So that is his own teachers, monks of Ramakrishna missions. Next IAS officers, sympathized IAS officers. Next local cops of his village. So these people have started supporting him. So when he started his school. So next, so he not only talking about his school, so not only talking about giving education, he also started midday meal scheme. So he also gave importance, or he also started for the first time, that is midday meal scheme. So midday meals, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದ ಬಿಸಿ ಊಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಸಪೋರ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ his father. So he got the rice, or so for the midday meal the rice came from his own field. So that is from his father. Yes, so his father's field. So midday meal scheme, the rice came from his father's fields. So but now, so earlier when he was starting, so ಅವನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the supporter was his father. Later it is authorized, or by the influence of his friend, or by the support of his friend. So it is now the midday meal scheme which is coming from the government stock. So now he is getting the stock from the government. So midday meal scheme is given by the government now, later. So today, 9 years down the line, so that is after 9 years down the line means after 9 years, the school has 60 regular students. So important for 4 mark question, please remember. So that is how many students they are having. So what are the classes they are having, all that things are important. So which we will discuss one by one. Okay, so today after 9 years, so the school has 60 regular students. Six 60 regular students, 60 regular attendance. The people, the students who are coming regularly is 60. The strength is 60, and over 220 on roll call. So that is maybe the coming not daily. ಸೊ ಡೇ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಎಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್, ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ಫ್ರೀ. So because already we have discussed the children are going to work, so that's why. So total agi, so that is 800 students. So 800 students what he is having in his school. So that is for 800 students, so they have 10 teachers, or we can say volunteers. So teachers ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತಲೂ ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ for their interest in their in their interest. I'll read that paragraph. So today, 9 years down the line, so after 9 years, the school has 60 regular attendance and over 220 students on roll call and total 800 students. So with the 10 volunteer teachers teaching grades 1 through 8. 1 to 8. The class is 1 to 8 through 2. So 1 to 8. So his little afternoon venture, what do you mean by venture? Risky job, venture. So adventure in ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. So that one. So in his risky job, in his risky afternoon work, afternoon school, so the registered and recognized, now it is recognized by the West Bengal state government. So later it is recognized by the West Bengal state government. Remember, West Bengal state government. State government. So now it is recognized or registered. So the registration is over for his school, so which is by West Bengal state government. So which means student graduating from Babar Ali's school are eligible to be transferred to other local high schools. So one who is graduating from his school can be or can get the admission in other high schools too. So because he is having primary 1 to 8, so from high school onwards they can join other schools too. So because it is authorized now. So when the children of the village and localities nearby are done with their chores and jobs at daytime, so they run to attend Babar's afternoon school. So they arrive in time for Tulu Maushi's opening bell. So one who is Tulu Maushi. ಸೊ ಆಂಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ದ ಬೆಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ ಬೈ ದ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೆಲ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೈ ತುಳು ಮೌಶಿ. ಸೊ ಅವರ ಬೆಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಸೌಂಡಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್. ಸೊ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್, ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅದರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ they used to come to Babar's school. Okay, even in the day Babar used to go to his school, so that is his as a student. So in the afternoon they used to they used to teach. So istella sari Babar Aliya school, all this is fine. So but who are the supporters, who are the teachers who is supporting him? ಸೊ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥವರು, ಸೊ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವುದನ್ನು ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ next class. So that is, so meet some pure, good, kind souls. So the people who are genuinely supporting Babar Ali. So genuine ಆಗಿ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿಗೆ ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸೊ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನು ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. Hope you have understood what I have discussed now. So that is about his school Ananda Shiksha Niketan. So 1 to 8 this class is 60 regular students, 120 roll call. So and total 800 students in his school. These are the points which we have to remember, and in 2002 so it is institutionalized. That is 1 mark question. So these things we have discussed. Now in the next class we will discuss about the people who supported Babar Ali. So thank you so much.